Today I'm making plant-based spaghetti. Yep, Miracle Noodles, Beyond Meat, and tomato sauce from scratch. Spaghetti sauce from scratch, whatever you want to call it. Got some parsley. And I got all my green peppers, red peppers, onions, garlic, celery down and already chopped up, ready to go. So we're gonna add some olive oil in the pan. A little something, something. Now we're gonna add all our chopped up veggies in here. You don't want it to get sauteed a little bit. Smells really good. As I said, I already chopped it up. Some onions, red peppers, green peppers, garlic, celery. This is what you make when you don't really want to have too much carbs in your diet. This is a low carb meal. It's good for your blood sugar too. Won't raise your blood sugar. Beyond Meat beef crumbles. You don't want to thaw them out, just add them in frozen just like this. And let it, do its thing. Just add it in there just like that. Let it thaw out in the pot. Then I'm going to show you how we do the sauce from scratch. As you can see, it's coming along. It smells really good. All these peppers and garlic and onions. Real good. Smells real good. Gonna let that continue to do its thing before I do the sauce. This is the sauce I'm using. And we're just gonna add that in here. We're gonna mix it up a little. You don't gotta try to pop these tomatoes. They'll, they'll burst on its own. Pause. Add some onion powder, some black pepper, I like mine a little spicy, so I add a little bit of red pepper flakes. I like red pepper flakes. I add a little bit of tomato beef bouillon in here as well. Just gives it a good flavor. Good. Stir it up a little. Smells real good. Just let it continue to do its thing. Now we're just gonna cover that up and let it continue to do its thing. Leave it there for about, cover it up, let it cook for about 20 minutes. Miracle noodles are a great pasta substitute if you on a low carb diet, keto, whatever it is you may be on. Look at this back here, look at this. 5 calories. Look, no saturated fat, no sodium, just 3 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber. Look at that. No total sugars and no added sugars. This is great. Great pasta substitute. It comes in a bag like this. And you want to open a bag, drain out the water, put it in a strainer, wash it off, let it strain for a while. at that. Strain it out, drain it out. See that? Let it drain. Strain. You want to put water on it and wash it off too. Got some water here. Give that a rinse. Let it drain. Look at this sauce. Oh man. Tomato's still there. It's coming. Look at this. Look at this sauce. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Jeez. Look at this. All plant-based. Then you want to put a non-stick pot down there. Let it heat up. And you want to add your shirataki miracle noodles in the pan just so it could dry out a little. Get rid of all that water. The rest of the water that didn't come out. And put it in that pan. Let it walk. See that water down there? We're gonna dry it out. Look how good these noodles look. Good pasta substitute. Just waiting on it to dry out. Get rid of that water that's left. Right, look at these noodles. The water is all out. Getting ready to add it to our meat sauce, pasta sauce right now. Plant-based, everything. Look at this sauce. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Wish you guys could smell it. Now we're gonna add the noodles in here. Go ahead and add that in there. And we're just gonna mix that up. Mix that up in your pasta sauce. Look at this. Plant-based noodles, plant-based meat, plant-based spaghetti. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You just incorporate the noodles with the sauce and let it turn the heat down a little, let it simmer. And I would leave it like this for about 10 more minutes. And here's the finished product. Well, it's not finished yet. I have to cut up some fresh parsley. And we just put it all on here like this, just for a little color, make it look nice. And there we go. Plant-based spaghetti. Yep. Shirataki noodles. Miracle noodles. Plant-based beef crumbles. Well, that's how you do it. Wasn't hard. And if you like low carb diet, if you want a low carb diet, this is a go-to. Quick and easy, fast. Nothing hard about it. If you'd like me to make any more recipes, you got any ideas, drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It works. Be out.